Okay guys, we are going to start with the non-destructive testing, also known as non-destructive evaluation or inspection. Okay, this, as you can see, this is used to locate the defects and not the mechanical properties. Pay attention here, not the mechanical properties. And what are the objectives? To increase the serviceability, productivity and profit, and of course the safety. What are the types of the defect? Okay, types of the defect are the surface defects, surface cracks, maybe internal cracks, maybe surface irregularities, maybe presence of air or bubble, change in dimensions, presence of impurity and creep and fatigue. Okay, this is the types of defect that are present in a workpiece under consideration. Now let's talk, uh, get into the deep of NDT. Okay, what are the types of NDT? Visual inspection, liquid dye penetration, uh, magnetic particle inspection, also known as magnaflux, eddy currents, ultrasonic test, and radiography. Okay, these are the six major types of non-destructive testing. Now let's get started with our very first type. Okay, visual inspection. It is done by naked eyes. It is very simple and fast. It detects like surface cracks, tears, blowholes, metal penetration, swells, shifts surface roughness, shrinkage, etc. Okay. Now, what are the instrument? What are the instrument? What are the microscopes used in this visual inspection? So there is the list of the instrument used. Very first instrument is microscope, optical microscope, which has in this range from 10x to 2000x zoom. Okay, remember this, 10x to 2000x zoom. Next up we have the bore scope. Now bore scope is to inspect the bore. Now bore is the internal diameter of a cylindrical or any hollow or what you can say workpiece. What is the internal diameter is and bore scope is used to inspect the bore. Is the bore neat or clean, or it has some internal defects. Now up next we have the endoscope. Endoscope is same as boroscope, but it has better visuality and viewing angle, so it is moreover preferred, uh, more preferred than boroscope. Okay, now up next we have a telescope. Now, telescope is used to examine the surface which are inaccessible by the naked eyes. Okay, uh, holograph. Of course, you have heard the word holograph. It gives a 3D imaging of the surface or any surface. Now, flexiscope. This is something flexible fiber optical boroscope. Okay, the for it has a it is a fiber that can go into the bore, which is flexible. Okay, so that is known as flexible flexiscope. Okay, now the another part of the visual inspection is hammer testing. So what is done in the hammer testing? Sound produced due to hammering is clearly measured. Okay, now what is actually done hammer testing? A hammer is dropped on the workpiece, hammer drops on the workpiece, and the sound produced due to that is heard. And comparatively with a standard workpiece which produces the sound, and workpiece which is under test are compared. It can be compared by a human ear, or can be compared by equipments, costly equipments, This is one of the disadvantages that equipments to compare this sound is costly. Okay,